What's up? I'm your old friend B, and this is Dober Keat, and I got to share with you, I scored something really cool today. I read some of that cycle news and put it up as a video or couple videos, and people seem to like it. It's pretty cool, and I mentioned it to my dad because he was the one that gave me that those old cycle newses, and I thought they were pretty cool. Tried, was sharing them with you guys. But in mentioning that to him, he said to me, "Oh, well, why don't you take the rest of my old magazines?" Check this out. March 77. Let's see, what's this year? March of 69. September 68. December 69. All these old cycle worlds. That's awesome. Let's see what's in here. Cycle Mechanics. May 71. So it's really cool. Along with the magazines, he gave me this table of the year and the month. And then see as if it's missing the cover. So that's really cool. Alright, I cleared off space on my bookshelf, and I'm going to put all these magazines on here. Hopefully I have enough room right here. I might need to make more space. So kind of an interesting story about this bookshelf here. My great-grandfather was a colonel and demolitions expert, and he served in World War I. And in World War II, he got called back to, serve. And he kept these boxes. They were bomb crates. And he kept them, stained them, and made a shelf out of them. I kind of wish he wouldn't have stained them because there's some wording on the backs, but you can't really make it out anymore. So anyway, cool shelf. So I want to put these magazines on here, and they're not in any particular order, I've noticed. He has cataloged some of them as to what is actually in the collection, but I don't think he organized them in order. So I might do that, but probably not today. So we'll just see how they fit and then go from there. I'm going to need to clear another shelf. July 2000. That's cool. CBR 929. Man, I worked at the bike shop when they were selling those. They were mean bikes. Popular cycling. Jammin' Jimmy Weinert. Alright, I think that's pretty cool. So I'm thinking, I don't have every magazine from every month of every year, of course, but there's a lot of different cool stuff here. And I was thinking that if anybody out there has a specific bike or a specific article that they would like me to film and read and maybe put up some good pictures of, let me know. Put it in the comments, because I have a lot of reference here, and I've searched up old magazines online, and a lot of times the pictures aren't great and you don't get the full articles. So if there's anything anybody wants to see out of this collection, let me know. All right, that's cool. All right, so that was my first project for Saturday. Next up is I'm going to pull the carbs off the CB550 because I got a new gasket for the carb that I broke the gasket on last summer. So let's get that done. Pass that clutch cable. Yeah. Slide these beauties out. All right. I'm going to put these back on so that they stay with it. I won't look pretty in the video. Okay. All right. We got our carbs. All right, it's too nice to sit in the shed and do work in there all day. So I decided to get the XR out, and we're going to do the crank seal real fast because she's leaking like a sieve. So let's get this going. Go. Okay. All right, we got those seals done, so got to push her back and put her away. All right, I don't remember which carburetor had the leaky gasket, so I guess we're going to play a little game of Bernoullian roulette here. I'm pretty sure it's one in the middle too, and I think it's this guy. You know it's going to be the fourth carburetor I take apart, right? Wah, wah, wah. Okay. And survey says no. Ha ha! All right. It wasn't the fourth one I cracked open. It was the third. Thank you very much. Carburetor kit, CB550K 74 to 76. Okay, says it's what I got. SP702600. Okay. All we need is this rubber gasket right here. And that's my guy. Okay. It called pretty good. That Permatex. Pretty surprised. Oh, I glued it in with it all the way around too. Ugh. Clean all this gunk out of here. Give the new seal as good of a chance as possible to do its thing. Just like that, I suppose. So, that's going to want to be a pain to get on there. It's not going to want to sit in here. Let's see if we can. This guy's got to stay on there. Float bowl spring, tensioner spring. I don't know what the hell they call it. I call it a pain in the butt. Perfect. Okay, we got attempt number 3. Let's give me a thread or two. Okay. Number 3. That worked well. Gasket looks like it's still in place. Okay. Gap looks pretty good and even all around, so we'll just give her a little tighten down and act like that's all she needed. All right. Okay. So I think what we'll do today is just set these carbs up here. We'll set those up there like so, and get them back on the bike here not too long. All right, well, that was just another Saturday around the old farm. Got some stuff done. It's pretty cool. Sun's going to be going down pretty soon. Tomorrow morning I'm going to have to do the brakes on the car. You know, it never ends. So, if you watch this video, you like it, give me a subscribe, maybe hit the like button, all the good stuff. Also, the Doberkeet library is open. Let me know if you have a old bike or want to know about. Also, the Doberkeet library is open. So I got I have Cycle World and so many different. So I have motorcycle magazines here from the mid to the late 60s to the early 2000s. So if you have a bike that you want to hear a review of or know of a specific rider or topic or magazine that you want to hear about, let me know in the comments and I can go through the library and find it and put up either a short or a short video of the articles that you wanna hear. So that's pretty cool, I think. All right, thanks for watching this. I'm your old friend B. This is Dober Keat, and we'll see you next time. Motorcyclist Retro, making those great 70s era's bikes live again. Fall 2008. Free Roger DeCoster poster inside. That's what I'm in it for. I doubt it's still in here, but let's have a look. Man, they got some cool bikes in here. No Roger DeCoster poster. I feel very let down.